To find and manage your display settings on Motorola Edge 50 Neo, first we need to open our settings. Inside, look for the display, and here we just found the settings. Next is to manage those settings, and there's multiple of them. I'm just gonna cover a little bit of them. Of course, you can scroll down and experiment with the rest. And the first option is to adjust your brightness level on the phone. You can use the slider above to change it like that. We can also activate adaptive brightness, which will automatically adjust the brightness of your display according to the current situation. For example, if there's dark outside, it will increase or decrease that brightness. Then there's the dark dim or a light dim. When it's enabled, it activates a dark dim, then your phone becomes a bit darker. When it's off, there's a light dim like that. Then we can change the colors between neutral, radiant, or vivid. You can choose whichever one you like, and also you can switch them with the color wheel below. Then there's the display size and text. Right here we'll be able to change our font size, the size of the text, or a display size, which will change basically everything, including text. And then next is display refresh rate. You can change on how often your display will refresh, and if you want to get best visuals, you can go for 120 Hz. It will eat much more battery, but the screen will become smoother. You can also go for 60 Hz, which will eat less battery, but it won't be as smooth as 120, or you can choose auto and it will basically adjust it automatically. And then there's the full screen. Allow apps to show content around the camera cutout, and you can enable or disable certain apps to do that. There's the cutout right here. Some of the apps will cut it, and there will be a black screen somewhere around here and here as well. And that would be all of the settings I'm gonna explain. You can experiment here below. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.